Hello everyone, in this lecture we will learn how to install Python in Windows system. So the very first thing, we will download Python from the internet. For that, let's go to the browser and go to the google.com and then just type download Python. Here we will just write download Python and click enter. Here you see the official website python.org. Just click here. Here you see download the latest version for Windows, and this is the latest version 3.12.4. Just click here, it is getting downloaded. This website is intelligent enough to understand if you are browsing it through Windows system or through Mac. According to that, it will show you the relevant option to download. If you are using Mac, it will show you the option to download for Mac. Anyway, let's go to our download folder. Here you see Python 3.12.4 is downloaded. Just double click on that. Here you see customize installation. Before clicking it, select these two checkboxes. What it says, use admin privileges when installing py.exe, add python.exe to path. So by clicking these two, you do not have to set Python home in system variables manually. Okay. Now just click customize installation. Here we are installing documentation, then pip, it will help to download and install other Python packages. Then idle, it is a Python development environment. Then we have Python test suite and PyLauncher. Just click on next. Now you select install Python 3.12 for all users and then click on install. Here it is getting installed. It is taking some time. So we see here setup was successful. So Python is installed successfully. Let's close it. To confirm that Python is successfully installed in our system, let's go to the command prompt. Here just type python --version. See 3.12.4 is installed. One more thing also you can do to confirm if Python is installed in your system, just type py and press enter. It will open the Python shell. Then what you do is just type print then hello world. Here we will try to print hello world through Python. See, hello world got printed. So we printed hello world using Python, and here it confirms that Python is installed successfully in our system. If you are using Mac, then please go and watch the previous lecture. I have explained it in detail how to install Python in Mac. Okay. So that's all for this lecture. See you in our next lecture. Thank you.